Is your phone charging slower than usual? Frustrating, right? Charging issues can stem from factors like background apps, damaged accessories, or even temperature. In this video, we'll cover 15 reasons for slow charging and share 12 solutions to fix it fast. Part 2. How to fix a slow charging phone. 11 possible ways. Way 1. Take off the phone case. Way 2. Utilize the original charger. Way 3. Employ a premium charging cable. Way 5. Use a wall-mounted charger. Way 6. Charge the device in a cool or dry environment. Way 7. Refrain from using your phone during charging. Way 8. Activate airplane mode. Way 9. Shut down apps and processes. Way 10. Replace your battery. Way 11. Perform a factory reset on your device. Part 3. Make my Android phone charge quicker via Android Repair Productive. Open Android Repair, select System Repair, connect your device via USB, and choose Android Repair. Review the list of issues and click Start. Enter device details and click Next. Enter 00000 and click Confirm. Note: back up your phone, as data may be lost. For download mode with Home button, turn off phone, press Home, Power, and Volume down. For 10 seconds release buttons, press Volume up. For no Home button, turn off, hold Bixby, Power, Volume down. For 10 seconds release, press Volume up. For download mode, click Next to download firmware and auto repair.